If you're stuck in class and lunch is still hours away, don't worry, because today I'll be showing you 7 ways to sneak candy into class. Sneaky hug! Ta-da! Wow, that's so cool! Thanks, I made it myself. Look. For this DIY, you'll need some Pringles, and I love Pringles, so I'm not complaining. All you need to do is first remove the Pringles inside using a certain hack that I showed you guys before. Bonus points if you know which video it's from. Next, I got some of this super cute color-changing sequin material. First, take a long zipper and cut it to the length of the Pringles container. Next, hot glue it onto the container. The zipper is just for show, so it doesn't actually need to work. Now take your sequin material and hot glue one end to one side of the zipper, wrap it around the container, and hot glue it to the other side of the zipper. Next, cut out a circle on the material using the Pringles lid as a guide. Make 2 of these and just hot glue them onto the ends of your container. And now you're done. Just pop your Pringles back inside and it'll totally just look like a regular pencil case. The best thing about this DIY is that after you finish your chips, you can actually just use it like a regular pencil case.
Stop talking in class, girls! Now, as I was saying, the simple potato was... What was that? Now, girls, what exactly is the meaning of the word cantankerous? Anyone? Cantankerous. Wengie, you have a dictionary. Just look it up. Shh. It's not a dictionary.
I found this dictionary safe online and I thought it'd be perfect for sneaking food into class. On the outside, it looks pretty innocent, but open up the cover and there's a lock with a secret safe. Pretty sure it's designed to keep valuables inside, but hey, don't judge me for using it to sneak candy into class. It's actually pretty ample size so you can fit a ton of goodies inside. Just make sure you don't forget the PIN number. That'll make me very sad.
Hey Wendy, can I borrow some paper clips? No, sorry, I don't have any. What? I see them, they're right there. Oh, right, these? They're not paper clips, but you can have one anyways.
For this DIY, you'll need a tin container that holds school supplies. First, take off the lid and use your phone and take a picture of the container and its contents. Next, print the picture out and cut it out in the shape of the container. Stick the picture onto the inside of the container so that it looks like there are still school supplies inside. Take out your school supplies and replace them with any delicious candy of your choice, and you're done. I chose Skittles, of course. It'll look innocent from the outside, but full of yumminess on the inside. Just like me. What?
Here, take one. Miss, can I eat a snack? No, Wengie, you have to wait until the bell. But I'm feeling a bit lightheaded. Too bad, young lady. No exceptions to the rules.
You know it's not a Wengie video unless you're sneaking food in Elmer's glue. So today we have another substitute for glue that looks super convincing. Just clean out a used clear Elmer's glue container well, and next take some lychee jelly. I happen to get these from a Japanese store, or you can try and find them on Amazon. And just squeeze it in. It looks pretty much the same as regular Elmer's glue, so no one will suspect a thief.
Miss! I think Wengie's gone crazy. She's eating her glue again. Nurse! Where's the nurse? Not this again! Miss! I've got to brush my teeth because I was in a rush this morning. Can I do it now? I brought my toothbrush. Well, class has already started. You'll just have to have smelly breath for the rest of the day. But I have a date after school. Well, that's not my problem.
Next up, we're going to use some clear plastic containers. First, we need to paint them, so use a bottom coat of white matte paint. Next, paint them the same color as your intended paint bottle containers and wait for them to dry. When they're dry, just use glue to stick them onto the bottom of your paint containers. Hopefully you can find a pair that fits as perfectly as mine. Now just open up the compartments, and these are really good for holding things like small mints.
What was that? Nothing. I'm just putting my paint back. Wengie, what are you doing? Just fidgeting with my liquid book cover. I swear they didn't make school supplies like that when I was young.
For this DIY, you'll need some plastic pouches. Now I can't actually remember where I got these pouches from because I order so many things, but I'm pretty sure they're from online somewhere. Basically, what you want to do is take a straw and insert it into this top little pocket to create a tube for liquid to flow into. Next, take a delicious drink of your choice and slowly just fill it into your plastic straw. I use a syringe for more control. When you're done, you'll have a bag that's filled with water, but the great thing is it won't actually spill out, even if you tip it upside down. Crazy, right? Next, just stick it onto a small notebook cover and you'll have your very own liquid notebook cover that you can actually drink. The best thing about this is that you can only access the liquid by popping a straw through the bag, so it won't even spill in your backpack.
Who's drinking in class? Okay class, time to start piecing together your vision boards. Wendy, what are you doing? I don't have glue. What? Are you blind? It's right there. Oh, this? Not glue.
For this DIY, you'll need a large Elmer's glue stick that you've used up. Give it a really good clean first. Then next, take some delicious Pocky treats and break them in to fit the height of the glue stick. Put as many inside as you can fit and you're pretty much done. Or you can use any alternate treats. Some other suggestions are pretzels or Twizzlers. It might not be a lot, but they might come in handy for those times when lunchtime is just a little too far away.
Oh, this? It's not glue. It's so much better than glue. What went? Okay class, that is enough. You think I can't hear your eating and drinking sounds just because I'm old and have bad eyesight? Detention for both of you!
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed these ways to sneak food into class. And if you guys love things that smell like food, I've got slimes out in Target. It's from my brand Whimsical by Wengie, and this one is the Cotton Candy Cloud Slime and the Birthday Cake Slime. These are my favorites. They come in a pack of 4 with 2 other amazing flavors. Don't forget to go to your local Target and check it out, or you can get them online from the Target website. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.